Mary and welcome back to my channel. So I have something really cool to tell you. Next time you're just chilling at home wondering what to do, you can cuddle up and watch this channel on the big screen. The big screen at home, that is. Well, all you have to do is plug in an Amazon Fire TV and say, Alexa, open YouTube into your Alexa voice remote or a paired Echo device. It's super easy and you can stream anything from my cooking videos to watching me do something crazy to my vlogs by yourself, with your family, with your dog, whomever. You can stream my content, anything on YouTube, Netflix, whatever you want. It's seriously so cool and you can check out the link in the description to buy your own Fire TV from Amazon. Alright, so you might not be able to recognize me today because I look very different. Actually, I look pretty much the same. But in today's video, I thought it'd be a really fun series to start on my channel where I like transform myself into like my favorite celebrities and my favorite people and friends and just like, I don't know, do something fun. As you can tell by today, I am my queen, the queen, God is a woman, Ariana Grande. I saw this really cute picture of her on Instagram and I was like, I want to look like that. So I thought we would just make this video. So yeah, you guys can see me do my hair and my makeup and go shopping and make this top and transform myself into my queen. If you guys like this style video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below who I should do next, whether it's like a YouTuber or a celebrity or whoever you guys want. Also, please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already, and let's get started. Okay guys, so we're gonna start off with the iconic Ariana Grande hair. She is known obviously for having her like 40-inch extensions. I have extensions myself and they are pretty long, but once I put them up in a ponytail, they get short obviously. That is where myself and Queen Ariana use a ponytail extension comes into play. This looks like a dead possum on the side of the road. I was referred this beautiful product by my best friend Laura DIY, who you guys probably know. She's been loving hers lately and fully convinced me to get one. It is so hot in here right now, I'm sweating. So yeah, I got this one here, which is like a really fancy schmancy one, and I really like it. It is 22 inches, I believe. But if you're balling on a budget, I got myself this one, which is 26 inches from Amazon. I'll leave a link down below. And this was $10, and I feel like it'll probably do the same thing and be longer. So I thought we'd see which one we'd use. Ooh, okay, this one's like a little darker than my hair, but it's okay. This is black. Ooh, wait. We've got this one. We've got this one. All right, we'll go with this one. This is extremely long. So basically how this works is I'm gonna start off by putting my hair up in a ponytail. I just have my hair 80% dried right now, and we're gonna just like comb her back. So we want like the smoothest ponytail ever, all along the front for my baby hairs. Ooh, brush her back. Ow, ow. My brain hurts already. That's how tight we want this ponytail to be. Ow! That actually really hurt. Not too shabby. I do say so myself. Woo! Nailed it. Now, I'm gonna take some hairspray again. This is gonna be our best friend. Spray it all down, and then just like comb our baby hairs back. Whoa, that looks good! I impressed myself. Wow. A little bit on the back for all my baby hairs. I'm gonna use bobby pins to pin up all my baby hairs. All right, ponytail. Done. Now we're gonna take our extension, and how this works is there's a piece of Velcro and then a long strap on the side of hair, and then what you do is you take it, you wrap it around the base, which I've only worn it like twice now, so I'm still learning. Then you like wrap this around here. Do as I say, not as I do. You wrap this around really tight, Velcro it in place, and then take this little chunk and wrap it around the ponytail. And then we just like bobby pin her in place. And then, oh my God, we're Ariana. Yeah. We just brush our real hair to our fake hair, and you can go in with like a hair straightener or something. Since it was $10, I'm afraid it's gonna burn and probably explode if I do that. So we're just gonna leave it like this. But honestly, not bad. Wow. Okay, moving on. Side note, let me just tell you, your head is gonna hurt all day. We're gonna do some Ariana Grande makeup. Lately, she's been going for like a bronzy, like goldy, smoky eye with the most highlighter I've ever seen. Also, while I'm doing my makeup, to not bore you, Eli, my camera guy, is going to ask me a plethora of Ariana Grande questions. He's gonna play songs, and I have to see how fast I can name the title. I'm starting off with the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer.
How old is Ariana Grande?
25.
Do you know when her birthday is?
I was thinking about this the other day. May, April, June.
June 26th.
Oh my God, I thought she was in March. Next up, I'm gonna use the Too Faced Born This Way foundation in Warm Sand because I've got a spray tan and It's a very tan shade.
What's the name of her first album?
Buy Everything? Yours truly. Yes. Almost is never enough. The way I wanted you. Well, maybe. Yeah.
What famous song did she collaborate with a major EDM producer?
Zed, Break Free. Next up, I'm gonna conceal. She has bright under eyes, so I'm gonna use Tarte Shape Tape under my eyes and then use the Tarte Creaseless Concealer on my acne scarring. When you're not really there. Oh, I know it. Touch it. Dang it, that was bad.
What famous song was dedicated to a YouTuber?
She had one dedicated to a YouTuber?
Yeah, it starts with an R.
A YouTuber? Oh my god, Remy! I'm going to bake under my eyes with some Laura Mercier powder because I feel like she bakes. I don't normally bake under my eyes, but again, I feel like she does. So I'm just gonna do this and then we'll start on the eyes. So for eyes, I'm going to prime with Tarte Shape Tape Eye Primer, and then she goes for that like goldy bronzy look. So I'm taking this Tarte Chrome Paint Shadow Pot in the shade Park Avenue Princess. It's like one of those pressed shadows, and I feel like this is exactly the color she's been wearing. And then for the rest of the eyes, I'm gonna use Sister James's new Morphe palette, which I haven't played with this yet, but I figured I would just play around with a bunch of the shades.
Who is Ariana Grande's celebrity best friend?
Oh, Nicki Minaj.
Yeah.
Nicki Minaj. Justin, show you why. Ooh, yeah, this eyeshadow, this is it. Shameless plug, I'm doing Vlogmas over on my vlog channel, check it out.
Where was Ariana Grande born?
Florida. Then she moved to New York to be in Annie, where she was Annie. Eyeshadow's looking good. I'm gonna wipe this off now so I can continue on. Honestly, not too shabby. Breathing. Oh, raindrop. What is it? Raindrop something? Shout out Sister James, this palette is good. It feels so good to be so young, hot, it's fun, and be successful. I'm gonna do my Anastasia Brow Wiz now. I'm just filling my brows. She has pretty full-ish brows, and like, I do-ish too, so. I'm doing a large cat eye because she's known for her winged liner. I'm using the Tarte Double Take Eyeliner. It is my favorite eyeliner ever. And now I'm gonna glue on some lashes. I'm just using these like wispy lashes that are a cat eye effect because she loves her wispy cat eye. Actually, this is more of a jasmine ponytail, huh? A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view. Over, sideways, and under on a magic carpet ride. This dog is terrified. Lashes are on. I'm gonna put some mascara on to combine my fake lashes. To finish up the look, we're gonna do some bronzer and a lot of highlighter and a little blush. So. Oh, and lips too. Bronzer, I'm using my Anastasia bronzer here with a contour brush, and she's got some mad cheekbones, so we're just gonna like chisel these out. For highlighter, as I said, she's been going crazy with the highlight. I'm gonna use these Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops. This is in the shade Celestial. Basically, it's like a liquid strobe highlighter. I'm gonna put some on the back of my hand, and then with a stippling brush, I'm gonna pick it up and like put it on the tops of my cheekbone, blend it in, and this is gonna be like the cream base for our highlight. Little on the tip of the nose, of course. You know, you can forgo the whole brush actually. You didn't need that. For highlight, I'm gonna use my Ofra highlighters here, and I'm going to use the gold one and put that on top. Whoa! Wow, that's crazy. On this cheekbone here. And then blend her out. Now I feel like Ariana wears a little bit of blush. I'm not normally a blush wearer, but for her, I'll do anything. I have the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush in Mood Exposure. I feel like that's just like a saying she would use. Sweet and angelic like her. Last but not least, for lips, I'm going to use this Fenty lip gloss. She's been just doing like glossy pink lips, and I figured this is perfect. This is in Fenty Glow. And that's our finished look. Gonna set the face with some Morphe setting spray. And I think we look pretty good. Now, going to begin the outfit, which is gonna be interesting. So let's go. Hello guys, welcome to the, I believe it's called the garment district or like the fashion. There's so many pigeons, I hate birds. Oh my God, 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 oh my God. Okay, we're here. I'm trying to think, like I wanna find like probably a pink feather boa to make the top. What just hit my head? I'm freaking out. I hate birds so much. Yeah, we're looking for like pink feather. I would love to find like a big strip just to like glue it onto a bandeau top. Or I could find a feather boa. Let's go. I wanna get out of here. but ooh, I want this. I want to make a jacket out of that. All right, we found this box. We stopped for not well-deserved Starbucks, but we got the Starbucks. We found this box of scraps for only $5. And this one seems like close-ish. I think I'm gonna do this one. We're gonna get this because it's cheap and we're balling on a budget. To a heart, then you get it, get it, get it, get it. Hi guys, okay, we are back home from getting our fabric. I am now going to DIY this bandeau top. I don't wear this one anymore, so I figured it'd be perfect for the video. I've got my hot glue gun, I've got scissors, and I figured this should be good. I'm just gonna like cut out a piece of fur to match. Honestly, I didn't really think this one through, but it should be fine. Flip it over. Also, I've learned that fabric does stretch, so you need to make it a little bigger so that it fits. This takes me back to my DIY days. I feel like I need a fake smile like I'm making a DIY video. Angle this way. We got this for our next project next time. Ooh, I'm just gonna take my top and I'm going to put some glue down on this bad boy right here like that. That's the stuff. A little squiggle swiggle. Take our top, lay her down. Floor DIY is shaking, am I right? Done. Actually, it doesn't look that bad. We're gonna put this on now and throw on some jeans and a belt and take our pick.
You don't recognize her, huh? It's Ariana Grande.
Ariana, yeah. All right, guys, top is on, put some jeans on. I will say, she's wearing a brown belt in the photo, but I actually don't have one, but I feel like she would really appreciate this belt. Like, I think my girl would love it. So we're gonna put on this crystal belt instead and then go snap some pics and see what we can do. All right, guys, last final touches, just brushing up the hair. I'm gonna reapply a little lippy gloss. We're gonna highlight our collarbones because she's got poppin' collarbones while I don't. Gonna take our highlighter again and yeah, just really get in there. And then look on the shoulders too. She likes to show off her shoulders, so. Little highlight never hurt nobody, am I right? So, oh, she's got her like hands on one hand. Oh man, I gotta be taller. She's got one hand on, oh, this is legit. Hey guys, okay, we're in the bathroom at my apartment complex and I've got the pick up. She's got her left hand on her thigh, right hip out. I feel like I need to be taller for this. Right hip out, right hip out, hair this way, collarbones out. Someone needs to use the bathroom. I just want to balance like this. All right, guys, we nailed the pic here. We're gonna do this kind of, I guess, turn into like a recreating Ariana's Instagram photo, but here's Ariana's, here's mine. If you guys think I did a good job, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I think it's pretty good. Better than I was expecting, I will say. Also, if you guys like this series, again, be sure to comment down below and tell me who I should recreate next, or rather transform myself into, whether it's a YouTuber or a celebrity, whoever, let me know. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye. Also, Ariana, I love you. Please, love you. Bye.